Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel with another exciting video tutorial. Today, everyone talk about Copilot option. In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable Copilot option in Windows 11. Copilot is AI feature launched in Windows and it only works in Windows 11. This feature starts new era for Microsoft Windows users by helping in many ways. Let's start the video without any wasting of time. Copilot option shows in Windows taskbar in bottom left side where time and other details shown. If this feature not shown in your Windows 11, then you need to update the Windows. Go to Setting. Windows Update. Then check Update and if is there any update. Then first update the window. Then this feature will automatically shown in your Windows. I already updated my Windows 11. Then how to enable or disable this option. Before telling you the method, don't forget to like and comment on the video. Follow the steps. Go to Setting by pressing Windows plus I button. Then go to Personalization. Scroll down and click on Taskbar. By default, this option is on. Now just click here to turn off it. By click, it is turned off. Click again if you need to use this feature. If you like the video, then post a comment. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.